Sentencing reforms passed by the General Assembly in its last session were a much-needed step down the road to reforming our criminal justice system. Although I was a little concerned about some of the reductions in sentence ranges for some offenses, I do believe it makes more sense to prioritize our scarce criminal justice resources towards heavier sentences for violent offenders and repeat offenders and away from minor crimes. So in balance, I think it's a good thing. Both as a civilian and a military attorney, I've had a background working with drug cases, substance abuse offenders, and those are probably the cases I'm most interested in hearing, although I'm certainly interested in hearing a wide range of criminal and civil cases in Superior too. But I think it's the area where we can make the greatest difference in the community in terms of helping folks whose substance abuse problems have resulted in them becoming, unfortunately, part of the criminal justice system. We can assist those folks through probation to get their lives back in order and to become productive citizens. I also have outlined in my campaign my proposal to create a Veterans Treatment Court program to assist returning veterans and also veterans from prior conflicts, World War II, Vietnam, more recent conflicts, in reintegrating back into society if in fact they are experiencing issues with substance abuse or mental health issues that have landed them in the court system. And I hope to implement that shortly after taking office. I want to be judge in Superior Court too because my entire career as an attorney has been about public service. First as a Deputy Attorney General under then Attorney General Steve Carter, trying cases on behalf of Hoosiers, to working for the Daniels administration as the chief of the enforcement section of the Indiana Department of Insurance, to other positions as an attorney that I've held in state government, then also as a military lawyer with 10 years experience as a judge advocate in both the U.S. Army Reserve and the Indiana Army National Guard, and finally working with young people as an adjunct professor of political science and legal studies at IUPUI since 2003. I've worked with the next generation of attorneys and paralegals to make sure that the profession is stocked with good talent going forward. And so I'd like to take that experience that I've gained as both a civilian and a military attorney and put it to work for the citizens of Boone County as your next judge.